All right, so Lynn, let's go now to the last part of this activity, which is about speaking activity. Are you ready?
Yes.
Good. Now here we go. Let's check or let's start now with your speaking activity. So I have here task 5. You're going to look at the picture and answer the questions. Number 1, Lynn, what is in the picture 1? Look at the picture 1. What is that?
This
Again, louder. These are meatballs. How many meatballs can you see in the picture, Lynn?
Teacher, can you speak again?
Okay. Lynn, how many meatballs can you see? All right. So, Lynn, do you like meatballs?
No.
Why? Why you don't like meatballs?
I don't like meat.
Okay, you don't like the taste of the meatballs?
Yes.
Yeah. So, Lynn, when have you tried eating meatballs? Have you tried it? Lynn?
Last I
Have
still
you
try as fish.
again?
I
What is
is
I?
I is fish.
Okay. Do you eat meat or not?
Sometimes I is meat.
But what do you like most, Lynn? Meat or fish? Which one do you choose? Which one do you choose to eat meat? Eileen, do you like fish or do you like meat?
I like fish.
Oh, you like fish. That's so good. Very healthy. Now here, what do you eat for dinner? Have you eaten your dinner now? Done eating or not yet?
I last eat noodle.
Again?
I don't eat noodle.
You done eat noodle. So is noodle your dinner? Is it your dinner already? Huh, Lynn? Done eating tonight? Or no, not yet?
Sometimes
Okay. Now, Lynn, aside from noodle, what do you want to eat during dinner? What do you like to eat?
I like chicken.
Again,
I like chicken.
again?
I like chicken.
Oh, what else? How about pasta? No. How about fish, fried fish or chicken? Do you want to eat those food during dinner or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Lynn, for answering. Now, here, Lynn, what is this in the picture?
This t-shirt.
This is a t-shirt. Lynn, are you wearing t-shirt now? Are you wearing
Yes.
t-shirt now? Yes. What's the color of your t-shirt you are wearing now, Lynn? What's the color?
Pink.
Ah, what's your favorite color of the shirt, Lynn?
It's yellow and white.
Ah, yellow and white are your favorite t-shirt. Okay. How about what do you wear, Lynn, when you are at the school? When Lynn goes to school, what do you wear?
No.
No?
Mm,
What do you wear?
mm, I wear dress.
I wear dress. Do you wear
Yes.
uniform? How about school uniform? Do you have uniform, Lynn?
Yes.
Yes, you do. Okay. So your uniform in the school is a dress?
Yes.
Hmm? Is it a dress, your uniform in the school? Lynn?
Yes.
Okay. Here. Okay. Lynn, I want you to do this task number 6. What can you see in the picture? Can you tell me what can you see in the picture, Lynn?
You can see two ball, then helicopter, car, truck, plus
Okay.
stuff, pen, and tree.
All right. So here. Okay, look at here. Now here, Lynn, aside from the 4 things that you can see in the picture, how many people can you see in here? How many people can you see in the picture?
I can see 12 people.
I can see, again,
I can see 12 people.
12 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good. And how many children are there in the picture?
There
How
are
many?
7 children in the
There are
picture.
7 children. And how about animals? How many animals can you see?
There are 5 animals.
There are 5 animals. What are those animals, Lynn?
A dog
A dog and
and brown birds.
4 birds. What are the colors of the 4 birds in the picture? What are the colors?
Brown, red, green, and purple.
Okay, so those are the 4 birds that you can see in the picture. Now, Lynn, look at the following. What are these people doing in the picture? What are they doing? The people are,
Yes.
let's go first to these people here by the road. What are they doing?
They're walking.
Hmm?
They drive outside. Drive a car, drive a truck, run, run,
Okay. Now here, Lynn, how about, look, can you see the shop in the picture?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now here, what is inside the shop? What's inside the shop?
A woman and fruit.
Again?
A woman and fruit.
Okay. Is there only a fruit? What else?
A woman.
A fruit, a woman, and how about in the other window? What can you see in the other window? I can see
I can see a
fruits, woman, and what else? What else? Anything else?
window.
Yeah. Together with a girl. What can you see? Look at the girl. There's a cake. Can you see the cake? Can you see the cake, Lynn? Yeah, there is a cake. What else? A cake and a bread, right? Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, there you go. Very good. So here in the picture, you can see there are different people in the picture. And as you can see, aside from people, there were also animals. And these are the birds and the dog. Now inside the picture, in the picture, there is a shop wherein there is a woman. And inside the woman, you can see fruits, bread, and cakes. All right, there you go. All right, Lynn. So that is the end of our test this evening. Okay. So Lynn, I will not give you another lesson because it's test time. So this week, Lynn, I will just give you a score of your test. Okay. Teacher will give the result of your test this week. So on Thursday, we don't have class tomorrow, right? No class tomorrow. So Lynn, next week we will be doing another lesson. Okay?
Okay.
All right. How did you find the test, Lynn? Was it easy or the test is difficult? What can you say about the test? Easy for you or it's difficult? It's How was it?
Easy.
Easy. All right, that's good because you did a great job. I listed here already your scores and I will just make a report on this. Okay? So Lynn, I will not hold you long because it's test time. Okay? So goodbye for now, Lynn. See you next time, Lynn. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher. See you again.
Yeah, see you again. Good job.